Dreaming of hosting the perfect spring garden party? Want your outdoor space to feel elegant, fresh, and effortlessly European? Wondering how beautifully styled tables, fresh flowers, and soft lighting can transform a simple gathering into a memorable seasonal celebration? And looking for subtle spring touches like pastel eggs, blooming florals, and romantic lanterns without making the decor feel overwhelming? Stay with us, because today we're exploring spring garden party decoration ideas for European outdoor living, helping you create an outdoor celebration that feels light, charming, and beautifully seasonal. What defines a European-style spring garden party? A European garden party captures the beauty of outdoor living with natural elegance and relaxed sophistication. Instead of elaborate decorations, the focus is on soft florals, linen fabrics, rustic wood furniture, and simple yet thoughtful styling. The atmosphere should feel welcoming and relaxed, like a gathering in a French countryside garden or an English cottage backyard. Which colour palette works best for spring outdoor styling? Spring celebrations look most beautiful when the colour palette reflects the surrounding nature. Soft pastels such as blush pink, sage green, lavender, butter yellow, and cream blend seamlessly with blooming flowers and fresh greenery. These tones create harmony with the garden and enhance the lightness of the season. If you love elegant outdoor decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a spring gathering. How can you style an outdoor dining table elegantly? Start with a neutral linen tablecloth or a textured runner to create a soft base. Layer ceramic plates, vintage-style glassware, and cloth napkins tied with ribbon or twine for a relaxed European feel. Adding small decorative details, such as simple place cards or tiny floral sprigs, can instantly elevate the table. What makes a beautiful spring centerpiece? Fresh flowers are the heart of spring table styling. Tulips, peonies, ranunculus, wildflowers, or roses arranged in ceramic pitchers or glass vases create effortless charm. Keep the arrangement low so guests can easily converse across the table. Tell us in the comments which flower you would choose for your spring garden party. How can lighting transform the atmosphere? As the sun begins to set, lighting becomes the element that shapes the mood. String lights draped through trees, lanterns placed along pathways, and candle clusters on tables create a warm golden glow. This soft lighting adds romance and intimacy to the evening. What seating arrangements feel both stylish and comfortable? European outdoor gatherings often mix seating styles. Wooden chairs, wicker benches, or garden stools paired with soft cushions and light throws create a relaxed yet elegant seating arrangement. Comfort encourages guests to linger and enjoy the atmosphere. For more outdoor styling inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can you decorate a dessert or drinks table? a dedicated dessert or drinks table adds both functionality and visual interest. Use tiered trays to display pastries, macarons, or fresh fruit. Decorate the table with small flower jars, pastel tableware, and linen napkins to create a charming cafe-style display. Are subtle Easter accents appropriate for a spring garden party? Yes, subtle seasonal elements can blend beautifully into spring decor. Small pastel eggs placed in moss bowls or tucked among floral arrangements add charm without dominating the aesthetic. These touches enhance the seasonal atmosphere while maintaining elegance. Subscribe for more elegant seasonal decor ideas inspired by European living. How can you decorate with greenery for a natural look? Greenery brings depth and softness to outdoor styling. Garlands of eucalyptus, ivy, or olive branches draped across tables or fences create a lush, organic feeling. These elements help tie the decor naturally to the garden surroundings. What outdoor decor elements enhance European charm? Small decorative objects can add countryside character. Wicker baskets, ceramic pots, vintage watering cans, and rustic wooden crates introduce texture and charm while remaining practical. These details create a lived-in garden aesthetic. Love these elegant touches. Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can table linens elevate the overall aesthetic? Layering fabrics instantly softens the outdoor table. Linen runners, textured napkins, and subtle lace accents create elegance without feeling formal. Natural fabrics move beautifully in outdoor breezes and enhance the relaxed garden atmosphere. What role does glassware play in styling? Glassware can subtly enhance the beauty of a spring table. Clear or lightly tinted glasses catch sunlight during the day and reflect candlelight in the evening. Crystal-inspired glassware adds sparkle while keeping the setting light and airy. Explore more garden party inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. How can you create a cozy lounge corner? A lounge corner gives guests a place to relax between courses or conversations. Arrange outdoor sofas or garden chairs around a small table with candles and flowers. Adding cushions and light blankets makes the space comfortable for cooler evening air. What small decorative details make the biggest impact? Sometimes the smallest touches create the most memorable atmosphere. Handwritten place cards, small floral bundles tied with ribbon, or delicate bows on chairs bring thoughtful elegance to the setting. These subtle details make guests feel appreciated and welcomed. If you enjoy timeless European styling ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you host a beautiful garden party on a budget? You don't need expensive decor to create a beautiful gathering. Garden cut flowers, recycled jars as vases, and borrowed furniture can create an equally charming setting. European styling celebrates simplicity, creativity, and thoughtful presentation. A European spring garden party is about celebrating light, nature, and connection. With soft florals, elegant table settings, gentle lighting, and subtle seasonal accents, your outdoor space can transform into a charming gathering place. Let nature guide your colour palette. Keep the decor simple and refined, and focus on warmth and hospitality. And your garden will become the perfect setting for unforgettable spring memories. If you enjoyed these spring garden party ideas, like this video and share it with friends planning outdoor gatherings. Tell us your favourite flower or decor detail for a spring garden party in the comments below. Explore our spring decor playlist in the description for more outdoor styling inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more elegant European home and garden ideas. Looking for more seasonal decor inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.